Welcome to our second tutorial on the sweep command. Activate the sweep command. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring the line profile type. Let's select the line option. It's the second icon. Under subtype, we'll select two limits. First, we choose a guide curve. And our second guide curve, this one. Right here we enter values for lengths 1 and 2 and click Preview. Under length 1 and length 2, we can use the law definition option. I'm going to select the linear law type. For a start value, enter, let's say, 2, tab, close. Here I'm going to use the S law type with an end value of 5. Tab and close. Now let's click Preview. You see the surface boundary has changed. We also have the option to apply limits here. I have plane 1 and plane 2. Let's bring them in. You can hardly see them, but they are here. For limit 1, we'll use plane 1. Let's preview. This green arrow lets you select the limit direction. Preview. We can also choose the second limit, plane 2, and click Preview. OK. Let's right-click and hide this. Now activate the sweep command again. Our next line subtype option is Limit and Middle. Once again, we select the first and second guide curves. Let's click Preview. The second curve plays the role of the middle curve. If I deselect, we go back to the To Limit option. Click OK, and right-click, Hide Show. Let's activate the Sweep tool again to explore the next subtype, With Reference Surface. Let's hide planes 1 and 2. Once again, I'll select the guide curve. Under Reference Surface, I'll select the XY plane. Under Angle Value, let's enter 30 degrees, tab, and click Preview. Here we see 4 different solutions to choose from. Preview. We can choose from here as well. We can set lengths 1 and 2 here. When you're ready, click OK. Again, right-click, Hide Show. We activate the sweep command again to explore our next subtype, With Reference Curve. Let's select the curve and then the reference curve. Let's click Preview. Once again, we've got 4 angular solutions to preview. Lengths 1 and 2 can be adjusted. OK. We'll right-click and hide. Activate the sweep command again. The next subtype option is With Tangency Surface. Let's bring in Extrude 1. Oops. Hide Show. Under Guide Curve, select this curve. Under Tangency Surface, this surface, click Preview. We have the option to trim with Tangency Surface, and we have 2 solutions to view. Click OK. Let's right-click and delete Sweep 5. OK. Let's move on. Activate the sweep command again. The next subtype is With Draft Direction. Let's hide Extrude 1. We select our guide curve. Under Draft Direction, right-click and select the X-axis. Let's preview. Let's enter an angle value of 0, Tab, and preview. Normal to, XY, plane. You see the draft direction now. We can choose from a number of length types right here. These are pretty self-explanatory. Isometric view. OK, right-click and hide show. Let's activate the Sweep tool again to explore our last option with 2 tangency surfaces. Let's bring in Extrudes 1 and 2. Under Spine, let's select this curve. For the first tangency surface, this one, and the second tangency surface, this one, and preview. We have the option to trim with the first or second tangency surfaces. In this case, we only have one solution to view. Click Preview and OK. And this concludes our second tutorial on the Sweep command. We'll be further exploring this command in the next video.